Welcome to Voices of the Writers. I'm your host, Adam Scull, bringing you a new dimension of poetry readings, songwriters, vignettes, and stories with music and sounds for the Eat, Sleep, Write podcast. Discover new writers. Learn about their huge body of work on Eat, Sleep, Write. Of Rain and Splendor by Prince A. McNally. Read by Adam Scull. Oh, how you render me so speechless! For the hands of silence hold me captive in a prison of your reverie, which sounds like music to the ears of my racing heart. Smiling beneath this golden sun, I seek asylum within your welcoming eyes, losing all sense of direction, yet finding myself lost in your radiant cloud of rain and splendor.
Thank you for joining us for another edition of Voices of the Writers, located at eatsleepwrite.net, bringing you a new dimension of poetry, songwriters, vignettes and stories with music and sounds, for Eat, Sleep, Write. We would like to hear from you. Engage with us. Send your comments and questions to comments@eatsleepwrite.net, or leave a comment at the end of the podcast page. Join us again for Voices of the Writers on Eat, Sleep, Write.